Okay, hey everybody, I'm back. I'm walking around the hole. I feel like when I'm talking I'm always walking, but at any rate, walls are in. I may have done a video. I honestly can't remember. You can see them there. You can see the studs and the insulation is already in. We got sealing agents. Did coat around the elevation that we marked, and then this the Delta drain mat, and then you can see at the very bottom there's another black drain that ties into it, and it goes all the way over to this cavity that the sump is going to be in. I'll tilt the phone a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. So it's flowing great. It was all engineered. That water is going to evacuate the footers and then hopefully under the slab and go into that area where we're going to have a pit where the water will go, and there'll be a sump pump. So things have been a little hectic. We had the plumbing roughed in there for the bathroom, and we are having termite sprayed tomorrow, rebar, and the vapor barrier put in. The vapor barrier also serves as like a water barrier. It's a heavy-duty plastic membrane. Rebar to hold the slab in. Slab on Thursday. Then the floor system gets delivered. The floor trusses on Friday. Then those will go in. And once all that stuff's in and the floor is all tied together next week, we'll have the backfill done. We'll get a bunch of leftover gravel. And forgive me if I'm repeating myself, because there's all these steps that have to happen. So there's all this gravel back there. That's going to end up being put in against the foundation to help with drainage. And then we'll backfill with the rest of the dirt. And then we have this ginormous pile of roots. And then the kids' favorite pile. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like 20 dump truck loads of soil from the basement, and I don't even know how the physics work or the math or whatever that dirt was in the hole. But to give you some perspective or scale, I'll turn this around. That's the 2-story carriage house, and the dirt is actually up to that level of that 2nd-story band board that goes around the carriage house. So we have friends that are building a house that need a bunch of fill, so they're going to load up the dump trucks and dump over there until that location's satisfied, and then we'll probably we have another person that wants some, so they'll get some good dirt too. And then I guess from there we'll start framing in the walls of the addition and put in the roof trusses. And in the meantime, we're jacking up and leveling the house, adding in beams. And this weekend I'm definitely going to do a video on vacuuming out the insulation, blown-in insulation that's in the attic here. And so that was done like 10 years ago. So I have every inclination that there will also be other fun things in that attic that I either didn't know about, forgot about, or will be surprised with. So anyhow, that's all she wrote for today.